Okay, so let's talk about this little review sheet I did, starting with, of course, problem one. We like to go chronologically, or numerically, I guess. So problem one was the problem about Indiana Jones and the Lost Ark, and Indy was going, let's see, sorry. Indy was going, I believe, at, oh gosh, what did I say, 80, that's right, 80 kilometers per hour. The German officers were going a mere 50 kilometers per hour, and Indy rear ends them. Indy's truck has a mass of 3,000 kilograms. The German officer's truck has a mass of 1,500 kilograms, and so we want to know what's the change in velocity for Indy's truck, okay, and also the change in velocity for the officer's car. Okay, so this is pretty easy, of course. This is really just conservation of momentum. This should be basically a warm-up. So, you know, initial momentum, which is m1u1 plus m2u2 should equal final momentum. And since the two cars, or the two vehicles, have an inelastic collision stick together, they've got one final momentum. So really, you know, I can scratch out these 1 and 2 here and just make it v for both. So, right. The only really thing that might be a little unusual is this question of, hey, do we have to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second? And the answer is no, you don't. It's not wrong to do it because, you know, getting everything in standard SI units is fine. But since it's all consistent all the way through, we don't need to, because what we're going to have here is 3,000 kilograms times 80 kilometers per hour. That's going to be Indy's momentum initially. The officers are going to have 1,500 kilograms, and they're going to be going at 50 kilometers per hour. So what's going to happen is when you do your you know, your math with the units, you're going to get kilograms, kilometers per hour, and kilograms, kilometers per hour. And then when you, come on, damn it, all right. I mean, darn it, okay. And then the total mass of the, you know, momentary single vehicle there is going to be 4,500 kilograms, and you're going to get V in kilometers per hour. So the answer that comes out is V is 70 kilometers per hour, which means then Indy has to slow down by 10. So Indy loses 10 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, the German officers and Belloc, etc., get whiplash because they speed up by 20 kilometers per hour. And that is problem one.